Good morning, students. In our previous class, we discussed Indian place value system. Now today, we will discuss International place value system. Place value in this system are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Starting from right to left, the first period is ones, second period is thousand and third period is million. As you know, ones period consists three place values ones, tens and hundred. Thousand period consists also three place values thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Million period consists three place values million, 10 million and 100 million. In Indian place value system, as we discussed, thousand period have only two place values 1000 and 10,000. There is a difference between international place value system and Indian place value system. In our international place value system, there is a three place values in thousand. So let us do some questions. Let us take an example. 6, 3, 2, 1. This is a number. We can write it in International place value system. So how we can write it? You can see here 1 is on ones place. So write 1 is on ones place. 2 is on tens place. 3 is on hundred place. And 6 is on hundred place. So students, where the comma placed? As you know, comma placed between two periods. So after 6, we placed a comma. How we can read it? 6,321. Let us take another example. 1, 1, 2, 6, 1. 1 is on ones place, 6 is on tens place, 2 is on hundred place, 1 is on thousand place and 1 is on 10,000 place. So comma placed between two periods. So place comma after 1. Now you can see here 11. Both are 1, 1. Both are in thousand period. So we will read it 11,261. Let us take another example. 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 3. 3, 6, 4 is on hundred place, 3 is on thousand place, 1 is on 10,000 place and 2 is on 100,000 place. Now look here. Firstly place comma between two periods. Now how we can read it? You can see here 2, 1, 3. These three numbers are in thousand period. So we can read these three numbers combine like 213,000. After that, in this comma place, we use thousand. So how we can read it? 213,463. Let us take another example. Now look this number. Firstly place the comma. So we place comma between ones and thousand. After that thousand and million. Now how we can read it? Comma placed here. So 9 million, because 9 is in million period. So 9 million. Up 314 is in thousand period. So 9,314,603. So in this way we can do the questions in international place value system. I hope you all have understood it.